Hey, so today we're going to be learning about 3D printing in the United States. So 3D printing uses computer-aided design to create 3D objects from a variety of materials like molten plastic or powders. The printers act similarly to the traditional 2D printers, using a layering method to create the desired object. They pile on layer after layer until the object looks exactly how it was envisioned. Who's using 3D printing in the US? 2/3 of manufacturers are using 3D printing in some way. In what industries? Aerospace, automotive, manufacturing, robotics, and education. 3D printing originated in 1984. For the first 20 or so years, it was focused for industrial manufacturing. The next big milestone was in 2007 when the first 3D printer was under 10K, allowing access for a wider range of consumers. And in 2009, it came commercially available. Now you can get a 3D printer for under 1K, and you can even see 3D printers in high school education. Why are people using 3D printing? Well, there's a lot less tinkering to get that desired product, and it uses less materials. So how can they be used to help solve the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations? 3D printing allows us to use sustainable materials to create things that traditionally you couldn't. And an example is using industrial solid waste as ink instead of cement. It will also allow least developed countries to manufacture things that they couldn't before due to cost. There's a reduction of greenhouse emissions, and you could also bring relief to those who had amputations and can't get those prosthetics due to expensive costs. The last thing we're going to be doing is 2 truths and 1 lie about 3D printing. So first one, 3D printing is in movies you watch. Second, can produce iridescent surfaces. And the third one, 3D printers are faster than traditional manufacturing. So the lie is the last one. 3D printers are very useful for smaller projects, maybe like a custom thing, but when you're looking at large manufacturing, it's just not very smart to do it like that. I hope everyone learned something today. I'll see you next week.